Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
All right, let's get into it. Most of us see the internet as a world of open highways.
But imagine a secret toll booth on that highway, watching everything that passes by.
And this isn't science fiction. It's a very real program codenamed FAIRVIEW.
See, publicly, telecom companies just connect us, but behind the scenes, they're government partners. This partnership gives them a privileged vantage point, perfect for intercepting massive amounts of data. So, how does it actually work? Well, it's a simple process, happening silently behind the scenes.
And don't think this is just targeted. The scale of this operation is almost unimaginable.
I mean, we're talking about trillions of records, trillions, from just everyday communications.
This all came to light over a decade ago, thanks to Snowden, sparking a massive global debate.
Okay, but that was years ago. Why does this still matter so much right now?
Because in our hyper-connected world, with the Internet of Things, there's just way more data to collect.
You can't really tear down FAIRVIEW, but what you can do is fortify your digital self.
Think of it like sending messages in a secret language that the watchers really struggle with.
So, what should you do? Here are 3 key actions for your own digital defense.
Which really leaves us with the huge, lingering question about our digital age, doesn't it? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.